May mga may-ari ng kumpanya that they're thinking only those who are full-time employees ang kailangan ng training. The rest, pag contractual sila or temporary na worker namin sila, hindi na kailangan. Pero those who are really strategic, those who are really long-term, mag-isip regardless kung permanent man yan or casual or contractual na empleyado. Basta binabayaran namin sa kumpanya, they must be trained. Why? It is because regardless kung sino ng empleyado yan, all of them contribute to the overall good ng iyong kumpanya. All of them are necessary to maintain quality standards, quality services, consistent na serbisyo para sa iyong mga kliyente at mga customers. And this sends a message sa workplace that ikaw na leader, you are valuing each and every person na papasok sa inyong kumpanya. Each and every person na binabayaran ng inyong kumpanya. Because you're thinking long term. Maybe casual siya, maybe contractual lang, but these guys, pag dinedevelop mo, makikitaan mo ng galing, they have more reasons to apply sa'yo as full-time employees and qualify themselves. At ikaw na rin, it's your filter because malalaman mo sa mga training and workshops, those na meron talagang angking talento, may galing, may dedikasyon, may malaking potential that could be your asset in your business. So why not train a few if you can train all of them to contribute to the success of your organization?